Hello, Srimantika.
Hello, Mamuni.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Acha. Okay. What is the name of your school?
My school name is Saraswati World School.
Okay. Okay. How old are you?
I have 5 years old.
Okay. You are 5 years old. Acha. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What is the name of your brother?
My brother name is Srijuddhar and my sister name is Noitika Das.
Okay. Very good. What is the day today?
Today is Sunday today.
Have you eaten your lunch?
Yes, I have eaten.
What have you eaten for lunch?
I have eaten rice and fish for lunch.
Okay. Now you are looking all dressed up and ready. Where do you go?
We will go to see Rath Yatra.
Okay. You will go to see Rath Yatra today?
Yes.
Okay. তাহলে সবাইকে wish করে দাও. Wish everyone.